Hello friends, Motolin's term refers to moto, symbolizing speed, and lance, reminiscent of Lancelot, meaning land. The mission of our organization is to deliver quick and efficient medical assistance on the ground. This innovative motorbike ambulance combines a traditional ambulance's vital functions with a motorcycle's speed, offering a rapid response in critical situations, thereby saving lives. Next slide. This presentation provides a glimpse of the need for a motorcycle ambulance, why this is the first of its kind, what makes it a special innovation, and our roadmap. The focus of our organization is to save lives by reaching the site within golden hour or platinum minutes. Next slide. Time is a critical factor in saving lives on roads or in any accident or attack. Let's analyze why we need motorbike ambulance for saving lives. Next slide. World Health Organization recommends minimum of one basic life support ambulance per lakh of population. We have a large road network with nearly 60% in rural sector, 2% as national highways, 30% as state highways, all vulnerable to road accidents. We lose approximately 18 lives per hour in such incidences, which is 12% of the global rate. An estimate revealed 25% of lost personnel are of age less than or equal to 25 years. We have 40,000 urban slums across the country with population more than of 6 crore. Mostly inaccessible for adequate four-wheeler ambulances. We face all types of disasters like earthquakes and floods etc. We have nearly 1.5 lakh subcenters for healthcare, however not properly equipped to evacuate emergency victims. We have 24 lakh villages with less than or equal to 500 inhabitants in remote areas. We have 70 Naxal-affected districts, 2,960 border villages, and multiple terror-prone zones. All these require systems that can provide immediate access to emergency care, a fundamental right for every citizen. Our motorbike ambulance is an important step to fill this gap. Next slide. Motolins introduces the first median life support motorbike ambulance. Next slide. Launched on 17th January 2025 at the Bharat Mobility Expo 2025, the motorbike ambulance is not just a state-of-the-art two-wheeler ambulance. It's a comprehensive medical support system designed to respond to emergencies with unmatched efficiency. Inspired by the legacy of Maharishi Sushruta, known as the father of surgery, Motolins's class is equipped to manage trauma care patients. Various dignitaries of both government and private sector praised this innovation. Next slide. 9M refers to targeted features, technologies, and outcomes vis-a-vis required to save lives in golden hour or platinum minutes. Next slide. The vehicle is adaptable to deploy in diverse locations, from city streets to rural back roads, in challenging terrains, ranging from mountains, hills, deserts, coastal areas to highways. Backed by extensive field trials, the Motolins demonstrates a strong commitment to developing an ecosystem with accessibility for emergency medical services. Next slide. The unique combination of compact design, two-sided patient access, and exceptional ground clearance up to 170 mm, the motorbike ambulance requires less turning space than its four-wheeler counterpart, enabling it to navigate diverse terrains effectively, whether moving through narrow alleyways in dense urban areas or bumping over rough rural roads. Next slide. This versatile GPS-enabled system with its infection control patient compartment, pollutant filtration unit, sanitized air assembly, fire extinguishing and rescue equipment, and portable oxygen support even for driver and paramedic to pass through contaminated environments makes it a multi-environment compatible ambulance suitable for urban, rural, industrial, pandemics and even disasters or terrorist attacks. Next slide. Equipped with Vayuswach Plus, an advanced air sanitization system, a product of Defense Research and Development Organization's UltraSwatch technology that protects patients from infectious pathogens, which are especially concerning during outbreaks. This innovation not only shields patients but also provides peace of mind to medical staff during transport. Next slide. The surface of patient's chamber is coated with DRDO's UltraSwatch accessory antimicrobial coating prevents buildup of microbes, making it a pandemic resilient system complying with required infection control measures. Next slide. The autoloadable stretcher allows paramedics to transfer patients from the ground to the sidecar smoothly. This feature is crucial in urban settings, where heavy traffic can delay traditional ambulances. For example, in a congested city, the Motolens can reach patients up to 30% faster than a standard ambulance and evacuate faster. To enhance patient comfort, the Motolens includes a vibration-dampening patented viscoelastic gel system beneath the immobilized patient. This system significantly reduces discomfort from jolting caused by uneven terrain, ensuring a smoother ride for those in transit, especially in remote areas. Next slide. Equipped with ABC, airway, breathing, circulation, support accessories to stabilize patient, fully stocked first aid supplied for immediate care for injury management at the spot in addition to trauma, burn and fracture care emergency kits along with vital signs monitoring ability makes it a median life support rapid response ambulance. Next slide. Studies indicate telemedicine can improve survival rates by 15% in emergency scenarios, a notable feature of Motolens. Equipped by multi-channel monitoring system leveraging advanced third-eye Bluetooth-enabled technology, allows for simultaneous tracking of vital signs such as heart rate, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, and blood pressure. Such technological integration makes it unique for both on-site triage and critical decision-making by paramedics. Next slide. GPS and telemedicine-enabled triage to distribute patients among different hospitals, ease of transfer of the patient from two-wheeler to four-wheeler ambulance, directly deployable nearest to disaster situations, and most importantly, its sidecar can even be separated from motorbike and deployed to develop makeshift hospitals to manage mass casualty events utilizing value-added accessories like Uchvasita oxygen concentrators. As innovations continue to unfold, the emergency medical services landscape is on the brink of transformation that could redefine patient care in India and beyond. Next slide. This new technology integrator design prioritizes speed, flexibility as well as patient safety with cutting-edge medical technology and comfort during transport. Let's analyze its specifications. Next slide. The design concept, aptly named Freedom, includes two-sided access, which allows medical staff to assist patients from either side of the vehicle equipped with a vibration suppression-led autoloadable stretcher similar to any advanced four-wheeler ambulance, dragged by a minimum of 250 cubic capacity motorbike with at least 165 mm ground clearance. Next slide. 5-layered air sanitization technology, sustainable antimicrobial coating, live monitoring via multi-channel parameter Bluetooth-enabled technology, GPS tracking for SOS response, telemedicine-aided decision support, and optionally contamination management devices that can be added for specific locations near the border or terror-prone zones. Next slide. Considering patient safety with two-sided access by paramedics, portable oxygen support, pre-hospital care medical devices, patients' immobilization equipment, it is designed for universal deployment. A twin model system is also available with diagnostics, continuous oxygen support, telemedicine, and other emergency care devices for remote medical care. It's the user's choice by which features can be added to the base model. Next slide. Now the technology is available. Let's work out roadmap. What lies ahead? Next slide. Motorbike ambulance aim to fulfill the gap of life-saving vehicles to match global standard requirements, an urgent need of the hour. The product has huge export potential aiding essential humanitarian activities across borders. Tagging with resident welfare associations, it can provide a self-sustainable solution deployed for small population groups that means extreme resilience against upcoming future pandemics. Continuous R&D is underway to include wireless devices and advancement in future motorbike ambulances that can be lifted by helicopters, etc. Next slide. In conclusion, with a reduction in fuel costs and a relatively lower cost of repairs, operating a fleet of motorbike ambulances, motolenses, can be up to 40% cheaper compared to traditional ambulances in addition to direct cost savings. It is a sustainable solution for saving lives. Next slide. Thank you for your time, and if you like to know more about us, kindly scan QR code to visit our website www.motolens.co.in. You can also send your queries via WhatsApp or email.